What is going on, crypto bulls, and welcome to another crypto video. Once again, guys, I am here to spread some alpha from you guys, and this video is how you could make $100 today, like right now. All right, if you want to double your money, this is a very effective way to do it as well. If you have 100, you want to make 200, you could do this by following these simple instructions. Remember, I give you guys Billy at 800K. It ran to $35 million plus dollars. If you guys have been following me on my X account, I've been calling alpha for you guys every single day. So if you're not following me there, highly recommend it. Let's get this video to 100 likes. If we get this video to 100 likes, I will be giving away one free soul. So make sure you guys comment down below, free soul, hook me up, and we will get that going. All right, guys, so here is how you're going to be making $100 a day. First and foremost, you guys got to get on Bullocks, man. If you guys want to save on fees when you trade, Bullocks is going to be your #1 source, 10% off right there. You're also going to be able to farm some airdrops. That's not the big deal. The big deal is just that it's the best current trading bot right now for anything that has to do with Solana-based and, you know, pretty much any other stuff like Ethereum. But right now we're focusing primarily on Solana. So how are you going to make $100 today? Super easy, guys. I've been giving you guys this alpha on Trump for the longest, and I've been telling you guys, put some money on Trump. And, you know, I gave you guys Trump at like a 30, I think it was like the first ever video I made on Trump, I gave it to you guys at 20 mil. That was a little bit too late. I gave you guys Trump once again at 38 mil. It ran up all the way to 80 mil. So, you know, you guys have been sleeping if you haven't been watching the videos. But once again, I'm calling out Trump again. Right now, Trump is sitting at 50 mil. Okay, so 50 mil currently right now. What I would suggest is you're going to want to look for these dips. You see these little two dips right here? These dips will be happening throughout the day. Okay, like these little dips right here. That is what I need you guys to go in there, hum on in, and jump right in. All right, that's where I need you guys to come out, focus, tunnel focus, put your mind on it, and boom, jump on it like a tiger, jump on it like a shark, and that is where you want to buy in. So this is going to be 40 right here. Trump is set to speak on the RNC on Thursday. Okay, so this is Thursday. So I'm making this video because you know, depending on when you watch it, you're going to be looking for these levels. Those are the levels you're going to be looking for. And if you guys are able to get into these levels around the 40 range, all right, between, I would say, I mean, the lower the better. So if you're able to get something between like 35, which I doubt it's going to go down to 35, but something around like, you know, like 38, 40, 48, 5-ish right there, you guys will be able to double your money. So if you put in $100, you'll come up with $100 plus an additional $100. But that's not the only play I'm going to give you. There's a very, very safe play right here. There's one that you guys are definitely going to want to make sure you guys pay close attention to. So one cool thing about Bullocks is that you're able to set this parameter. So for example, like let's say I want to say, you know what, I want to buy Trump. And so you just click on buy, you go to limit, and you set where you want to buy. So you, for example, let me get rid of that. For example, I want to say, you know what, I think this is going to go down to like 45 right there. I think 45. I wanted to buy one soul. Right? So you just put one soul here and you buy that. So whenever this dips to this part right here, the 45 range, it will automatically put the buy in for you and you're set. Basically, you just set this up and you go to sleep. And then when you wake up, you already got your entry. And if the chart took off, you guys are already in profit, which is really awesome. And that's one thing I like about Bullocks. So you're able to do that really off the bat. Now, if you guys have been following, look, you guys could have gotten in here like at 42. I think the lowest it dipped was 41. And it hasn't dipped any lower than that except right here. But this is when we had that big Trump rally that went all the way to 80. So this is like the little lowest you could have gotten it. Right now, it's sitting nicely at that 40 range. What I would recommend is, you know, try to get a buy in there. And you guys should be good to go. Now, this is not the only play that I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you guys another play, and this was called Fight. Now, I've been calling Fight on my channel on X, on TG. I'll show you guys right now, man. I've been calling this, and I've been telling you guys, bro, get on this, do this right now. You don't sleep on it. Don't, you know, get this going, do it right now, do it now. Literally, since I bought, basically, I bought like right here, bro, which was like a 2 mil, like around 1 mil, okay? And this ran up all the way to 20. You see, I haven't even sold, okay? because I know this is going to run a little bit higher. I called it once again here, which I called it at 5 mil. And then I waited for another dip and I called it once again here at 6 mil. And then I also called it right here at 5 mil as well. So I've been calling you and telling you guys, get in this like right now, get in this right now. If you guys would have gotten in this when I called it right here, of course, you guys would have been up when this ran up to 10 mil. So you guys would have made a nice X right there. If you would have gotten it right here when I called it, right here, like around 5 mil, this ran up all the way to like about 19 mil, and I called it at 5. That's a 2x right there. You guys would have printed. I know some of you guys printed. Some of you guys sent me some of your P&Ls. And now I called it once again here at 6 mil. It ran up all the way to 16. Okay, so basically, guys, this is super easy. Right now, if you guys are noticing the pattern in this one, is that it dropped to right here. Okay, so let me draw a line here. It dropped right here, which is the lowest drop that we had. It hasn't touched that drop. Okay, so it hasn't touched that drop, which is a good sign if you've been holding for that point. Since that point on, it hasn't touched that. And it looks like right now we're going to be getting a new floor, which is looking like it was going to be 6. So we're going to put another line right here. It looked like, for example, it was going to be 6, but actually we're looking at 6.7. So I theoretically right now would be looking for a nice drop on this to drop to 6.7 once again, and that's when I'm looking to buy in again, because I see this running up. Remember, the RNC is all week, all the way to Thursday. This is something, if you've been tuning in or watching or paying attention to, everybody's yelling fight, 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 fight. Every time someone yells fight, 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 this chart goes up. Okay, so basically, if you put $100 here, you're gonna come out with $200. Now, I don't know if this is the last time we saw this floor, because what it's looking like right now, it hit this right here, and it looks like 10 mil might be the floor. So you might be able to get in here in 10 mil, and this runs up to 20 mil, which I think this particular token right now will hit some pretty parabolical numbers. I really feel like this one is a very, very crazy token that it could do anything from 50 mil to 100 mil to half a mil. I don't know how high this could go up. You know, it's all depending on the team that's actually pushing this and the team that's working behind to get this going. I know they're working really hard, but I don't know if this is the last time we saw this at this levels right here, like at that 6 mil. Right now, the chart looks like it bounced completely off back of the 10. And what that tells me is that this bounce is, you know, it's destined to another like a 20 mil run here. So this would be a really good entry. I don't know, by the time you watch this video, we're here or we're down here, because it's either we're here, or we're like at 20 mil when you watch this video. So regardless of when you watch the video, right, what you want to do is you want to buy on the, you know, on the red candle going down. You're going to look for that floor, buy in there, and that should let you get those $100 like today. Okay, so you want to make sure, if you're watching this video, whenever you're watching it, let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget, we're giving away 1 free soul. So if this video gets to 100 likes, we're going to be giving a free soul to anybody who comments. Make sure you guys are following me on X, follow me on TG, so you guys don't miss out. These are the 2 alphas that I wanted to give you guys today. I also dropped another alpha on my TG there. You can follow me on X there to get that link or to see what that alpha was, so you guys can hop on in that as well. So I hope you guys are enjoying our content here on the channel. If you are, do me the huge favor, guys, to drop a comment, drop a like, but most importantly, subscribe, spread the word, and help other people print just like you are printing as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.